Welcome to Ornamental Grass Cutbacks. My name is Osbaldo, corporate trainer here at Southern Botanical, and today we'll be demonstrating the correct procedure on how to do a cutback on ornamental grasses. Some examples of grasses you may see in the field are mule grass, Mexican feathergrass, and many other species throughout the landscapes. If you're unfamiliar with these grasses, please consult with your direct supervisor for further guidance. Cutbacks should be done in late winter into early spring before the new growth. It's a very important practice that needs to be done for the plant's well-being. So why do we perform cutbacks? Cutbacks are performed to remove old foliage, enhance the plant's aesthetics, and promote new growth for the upcoming season. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's ensure we have all our proper PPE on, also known as personal protective equipment. You would need eye protection, hearing protection, gloves, and most importantly, chaps. Equipment required for this task is a hedge trimmer, hand shears, a yard bag, and a leaf rake. Remember to increase your productivity by first distinguishing the size of the grasses and the area. This will help you by choosing the correct tool for the job. For example, in larger areas, you should be using a hedge trimmer rather than hand shears. Also, using a tarp versus the yard bag to collect and dispose of debris. This will help you be more efficient and productive throughout the job. Now that we have our hedge trimmer ready, remember to use 2-cycle fuel. The first thing you want to do when operating a hedge trimmer is turn on your choke. Upon turning on your choke, you want to pull your pull start string. Your machine will be completely on and you'll be ready to begin your cutback. So the first step you'll do, you'll approach your grass, round off around the grass, and flat top over the top. In some cases, your cut could be 4 to 6 inches depending on the grass type and size. Remember to keep your hedge trimmer well lubricated and sharpened on daily when possible. Crew members raking out areas where debris is present should keep a safe distance of 10 feet from the cutting operator. The cutting operator should stay aware of his surroundings and other crew members. As we can see, now that we're completely done, all grasses are 8 to 10 inches from ground level, all at consistent heights, flat top, giving it a nice, crisp, uniform look. This concludes our Ornamental Grass Cutback SOP. For additional questions and training, please consult with your direct supervisor. Thank you again for watching. Till next time.